Hi friends, and welcome back to YouTube channel World Tech Talk. So friends, today's video is going to be very interesting because today we will unbox this. This is costing Byte Nebula wireless controller, and which features you will see in this level turbo mode 12 numeric buttons. So we will discuss each and every features of it in detail. So watch this video till the end to clarify all your doubts. So friends, as you can see the front face of the box which look like this, and you are getting the batching of Nebula wireless controller. Here is the company branding. You are getting turbo mode label and 12 numeric buttons for PC, but you can use it for your phones, your Android TVs as well as for your smart TVs. And on the other side you have again the Nebula wireless controller batching, and up to 8 meters 2.4 gigahertz technology, up to 12 hours gaming time, as well as for all Windows game X input as well as your direct input. So friends, as you can see, after opening the box you are getting this much accessories. So this is the gamepad. We will talk about this, but first let's talk about the other things which you are getting with this box. First you are getting its dongle for the connection purpose, then a OTG USB port which can be used for playing the games in your mobile phone, a CD which can be used for the older models of the Windows, and a user manual with a charging cable. So now let's talk about the features of the gamepad. So let's take out the gamepad. As you can see, it can be easily taken out, and so this is the gamepad. I am also seeing it for the first time, and at the back side you will get its switch for turning it on as well as turning it off. And as you can see, this is the right trigger, the right one button. You are having R1 and R2 batching, and here the L1 and L2 batching, as you can see here. And this is the charging port. Then the one thing which I liked the most was its rubberized structure, which enhances your grip and also enhances your gaming experience, as you get a very enhanced grip in your gamepad, which ensures very good comfort. Now let's talk about its D-pad. So you are getting a 12 numeric buttons including start, select, home, and the thing which I liked the most was its LED backlight. So after turning it on, as you can see, I think it is, yes, now it is turned on. So you can see here, this is the LED backlight. So this gamepad will also give you a very nice experience when you will play it in night. And as you can see, this is not paired, so the light is on and off continuously. And this is the controller, and you are also getting a turbo, which is you can find here. Here is the label of the turbo. Yes, special function rapid fire with turbo. And in the upcoming videos I will show you that how to use this turbo button. So now we will test the gamepad, and I will also show you how to charge it as well as how to connect it. So friends, now is the connection process. What you have to do is you have to take this USB dongle which you are getting with this pack and search for the USB port. It may be behind your smart TV or your smart set-top box. After the connection, it will blink and it shows that you have not connected it with your gamepad. So what we will do is turn on the gamepad also, and as you can see, both the blinking is stopped in the gamepad as well as the USB dongle. Now as you can see, With its 360-degree analog switch, I can move the car. You will get a detailed review of it also. So friends, now I will show you that how you can charge this gamepad. So you are getting a USB charging cable with this pack. So what you have to do is to connect with any power adapter, like I have connected it with a power bank, or you can connect it with your mobile charger also. And after connecting, what you have to ensure that you should turn on your gamepad, and then you have to simply connect it with the USB port. Now it is connected. So as you can see, it is now blinking slowly, and when the blinking will completely stop, that means your gamepad is fully charged. So friends, hope you liked today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel to get the latest notifications and videos, and hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to give your precious comments and suggestions in the comment box. So friends, you can join us in our next video.